So you're familiar with Adobe Photoshop, but ever wondered how to enhance your skills and easily transform images? Then this Mastering Adobe Photoshop class is perfect for you. We'll cover everything from advanced retouching techniques, brand mockups, to seamless patterns and neon glow, with fun projects and guided by clever shortcuts along the way. As some of you may already know, I'm Kate Silver. I'm a graphic designer, I'm a shoe designer, and a top teacher on Skillshare. Whether you have basic knowledge of Adobe Photoshop, have completed my beginner's class, or are simply looking to learn multiple skills in one go, then this is for you. Now here's a little sneak peek at what you'll learn. We'll start off with advanced retouching techniques because a Photoshop class isn't complete without classic makeover tools, such as removing wrinkles, eye bags, and teeth whitening. Then get ready for one of Adobe Photoshop's best updates, the contextual tab. Simplified tasks like removing backgrounds with one click certainly makes my life easier. While AI may be controversial, I personally love Adobe's take on it. So let's embrace the power of AI with Adobe Photoshop's amazing AI Generative Fill and Expand. Now here's a little thing I like to call fantasy portrait. I've always wanted colorful hair, and now we can easily make that happen with the Camera Raw filter. Level up your branding and digital marketing game with realistic mockups, labels, t-shirts, and learn how to create seamless patterns. We'll even get to play interior designer and turn a dull room into a gorgeously styled one. And last but not least, we'll make our designs pop with creative effects like duotone and my personal favorite, neon glow effect. I'm a big fan of repetition in order to perfect a skill. So we will be repeating every tool a bunch of times throughout the course. As usual, there are tons of files and exercises that you can download with this course. I will be guiding you with clever shortcuts throughout the whole time. And voila, let's get started.